Hey Pisces, it's Lulu, and today I am going to do your indie read here in the foyer. All right, so let's get it pop, locking, and dropping. All right, what information do you have here for Pisces? Thank you. Oh, check it out. What it say? See it? All right. Angel of Strength, Angel of Love, Door to Spirit, Anxiety in the reverse, Victory, Root Chakra. Victory is holding the most weight. Patience, Man holding a coin, all tied up. Oh shit, Pisces, what's going on? All right, so coming out the gate is you feeling more like yourself, feeling like, a lot of things have been going your way. You may have been having things your way in the recent past, right? And it has a lot to do with your connection. You have a deeper understanding of how things work on a spiritual realm, as well as when you manifest them into, bring things into the grounded realm, right? You know that your team helped you. You may go into a space where you were doing a lot of gratitude and communicating more with that door to spirit. This also has a lot to do with the reevaluation of the victory that you received and how you were stronger and more powerful than you've been in a long time, and now it's making more sense. Now, the other thing that's crossing this victory card, which again is holding the most weight, is patience and all tied up. So you may find yourself in a space where you have to be patient, but you keep going around in circles when it comes to what you should do. And it's like, what's my next move? What do I do? How do I get out of this? Like, this may be that you are in a space where maybe you're having a Saturn return or something, but you're in a space where you can no longer do things the way that you were, and you're seeing that. Then you have anxiety in the reverse, victory, and the first chakra. So something that is deeply rooted in you is coming out. It's coming to the surface. And it has to do with your success in the recent past, but also your security and stability may be something that you've realized. Anxiety, angel of love, and first chakra. Someone may feel as though they are being left out. There's some bruising in that anxiety in the reverse. That's bruising, bruised ego, bruised energy, bruised person, bruised body. Some type of bruising. What do they call that when your tailbone is bruised? That shit hurt too. What do they call that? I forgot. All right. But this anxiety in the reverse is like you figure something out when it comes to overthinking things or creating boundaries when you pick up so much energy and information. Something came to you out of nowhere. Maybe you weren't able to sleep. What is this angel of strength? The Ace of Pentacles. New beginning, new successful project or endeavor, a job, a promotion, abundance. This a brand new start. This is the initial phase of it, and you welcome this in. You went through a lot of changes to get to this point. What is this angel of love? The Page of Swords. Somebody is communicating with you about how they feel, and they may send some very long. You may get a lot of and I feel like what's going to happen, because you got victory sitting here, a lot of people that owe you apologies will be apologizing. A lot of people will be showing you a lot of support. A lot of people will be expressing themselves a lot. You may notice that people are expressing themselves a whole lot more than what they used to. People want to communicate more. But there's a lot of writing. Maybe you're learning about, how that reflects on you, how you're learning who you are even more so in this space. And then you get a lot of ideas from that. What is this Page of Swords? The Knight of Cups. Yeah, you get a lot of ideas from that you can continue to move forward. Because before the Knight was the Page, right? You're fully aware of what's going on and how this is a supporting actress in your movie, right? This is a supporting role in, you are the star of this show. How do you continue to move in integrity, right? In order for you to really, um, make your ancestors happy with you. What is this door to spirit for Pisces? The Nine of Swords. Lots of communication, maybe a download. You may be if you're getting a download and you smoke a sativa right now, some people be like, no, I can handle it. It must be some new sativa. Um this is esoteric information, occult knowledge, a lot of information coming through, and it's like it may drive you a little bit, so you need to be careful. I feel like they're going to show you a number of things, and you're going to have to bookmark certain things, like really write them down, ask them to help you to remember. um, Something with the jaw line, maybe that's shifting and changing as well. What is this anxiety in the reverse? The strength card. You found your strength when you had that, when you got that download. You found your strength. What is this nine of swords? Maybe getting a lot of visions. 1999. Nine of wands, nine of swords. Getting a lot of visions, a lot of information. A lot of visions, a lot of information, a lot of getting the weeds out of the way, clearing the weeds, clearing the clutter, removing yourself from situations that are harmful, traumatizing. Here, there may even be something to do with you made some type of promise about when by the time before the leaves fall. So that may have to do with autumn, getting something done by autumn. All right. What is this strength card? The King of Swords. Maybe that's that man holding the coin that's crossing this, that has to do with your stability and security. Maybe it's somebody you work with or somebody that you are dealing with, but this person is going to give you some type of insight. They have a lot of wisdom. Um, I also feel like, this person will help you with investments, Two of Swords, but it's on you if you make the decision on what it is that you want to do and how you are going to proceed. Let's get these other cards. The, Pisces already knows where they have claimed victory. What do we need to know about this victory card? The Ace of Wands. By you getting on your chariot, pulling things together, making things happen, continuing to move. Movement, you got to move. You got to make things happen. You got to do this. You got to do that. And I know that you have to really bring in balance and do things in moderation. But when you got this kind of movement in your, I was about to say your chart, things are moving. And with this Ace of Wands, it's like you're going to be running into the right people at the right time, receiving the right information at the right time, having a lot of ideas come in at the right time. But you got to be patient with the process to know when you are supposed to utilize those. What is this? Ace of Wands, Page of Wands. This is something that you're going to be into for quite some time. This is something that really gets you going, really gets your gears going. It really gets you put you in a space where you're ready, willing, and able to just dive in and learn and all the things, all the moving parts. This really gets you going, whatever this is that you are running into or finding out about. You may be seeing a lot of shapes and things like that in the clouds, smelling flowers. What is this first chakra? The Two of Cups in the reverse with that thinking man. The man holding the coin is crossing this with that anxiety in the reverse. The Two of Cups in the reverse is like a connection that is, you don't know if it's, you got to get it stable. You got to get it rooted. And it may be an issue with one of you are more in your heart. The other person is more in their throat, which means that the other person likes to talk a lot. And all the things the other person feels and then does. So one talks and waits, the other thinks, um, feels and does. What is this Two of Cups? Got to do with your relationship, Queen of Coins. Maybe one of you works too much, do too much work, or the other person feels like they are your servant. They're always at your service, but they are not your servant. Maybe that's where y'all are getting things twisted with them, right? What is this Queen of Coins? The Nine of Swords in the reverse. Somebody don't want to hear it. The other person isn't at, giving in to someone between the two of you is not giving in to overthinking this or allowing it to get to them, but it may come out in the near future. What is this Patience card? The Nine of Cups. You're going to get what you've been waiting for. You just have to be patient. World card and the Page of Wands. You just can't run out there and do it. You want to make sure that you cross all your T's and dot all of your I's. This also has to do with you being patient with your mate, patient with your partner, and allowing them to come to you, whichever direction this is going. Allow them to come to you and express what it is that they are thinking or feel, especially when it comes to reconciling your differences, starting anew. You already told them possibly that what you want, and maybe there are some things that y'all need to reveal to each other. Hold on. There's some things that you need to reveal to each other, that you're like hiding your feelings, hiding how you feel about it, someone here. It has to happen. What is this man holding a coin? The Tower. You may feel trapped in this relationship. Maybe this person uses money. Okay, this switched up. Groundbreaking news, information that comes through that's going to be a catalyst. Let me see, child. What is this tower and this man holding? This is happening out of nowhere. The Lovers in the reverse. Somebody refused to make a choice or refused to hold their end of the bargain. The Ace of Swords and the Five of Wands. Let's look at it. This is the Ace of Swords. This is the Five of Wands. Somebody refusing to make a decision, refusing to elevate, ascend in the relationship, that allow it to evolve, or maybe it has to do with their job. So the Five of Wands is competition, Three of Cups, and the Page of Wands. Receiving some type of message about something that may have happened at a party, at some type of event, batting the hose. Four of Cups, someone was really yeah, the truth came out. The moon in reverse, the truth came to light. Someone realizes this, they found out what happened. Maybe there's an air tag or somebody did a GPS. Oh shit, I didn't do this side. Well, these are the cards I took off of there because I don't know where I mixed them. So there's this communication, like I want the truth and the whole truth. Somebody is indecisive about it because it's a burden, it's too much, it's weighing on them heavily. They are trying to prolong this. Three of Wands in the reverse. They are trying to prolong this situation, prolong having to make a decision. Who is this? Is this even the same person? King of Cups in the reverse and the Hangman in reverse. They don't utilize their intuition. They don't believe that nothing bad is gonna happen. Like, they are very mischievous, very emotionally manipulative. Say where things are going, and you can be just waiting for where things are going, and they don't go there. They do a lot of things to try to make things happen, but they never get anywhere with that. Six of Swords in the reverse. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. They are not independent. They are not resilient. They are not reliable. Six of Wands, not victorious. They have to go through this transformation, and it's going to really hurt them. Queen of Cups in the upright with the Knight of Swords in the reverse. You may tell them off. You may tell them that they are bad luck. The Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. Damn. Let me fix this. And that probably be a whole other person. Prevails. My vision prevails. My business prevails. My ideas prevail. All right. What is this all tied up card? The King of Wands in the reverse. Somebody using sex against to keep you tied up, or somebody tied up because of. Okay. You may be connecting with someone here who um is kind of sadistic or misogynistic. I don't know what you would call it if it was a woman, but you may be dealing with someone who is upside down. Looks in an upside down mirror. They don't see things clearly. Maybe it's a funny mirror, a silly mirror. What is this King of Wands in the reverse with this all tied up? That's why you can't. Two of Swords. That's the person that don't want to make the decision, or maybe just gonna be around a lot of people that's indecisive. Um, that's what I was gonna say. You got to be careful. Like, some people are into BDSM and all that, right? But you got to do that kind of stuff with people you are comfortable with and you can trust. Because I don't know. Because what came to me was that you can't trust somebody to do, like, tie you up or gag you or something like that. You can't trust them to do that because they are more. I don't know. This type of person, they might like lay up with dead people. I ain't even gonna lie to you now. Cause what is it giving? What is this? What, I don't want to really read that, y'all. Let me see what else you got for Pisces. This ain't no dark read. What else you got for Pisces? The Six of Wands in the reverse. You might not get nowhere with this situation. Um, you try to get your point across or something like that, you may not get anywhere with it. The Judgment in reverse. Failing to make a choice is going to bring a Tower. So maybe you have to speak your truth about how you feel, bound to a situation. Um, you don't feel secure in a situation. You can't, this somebody isn't trustworthy. So that may be a whole other person. Y'all gonna have to let me know in the comments. Let me get the angel oracles. Yes. What do you have here for Pisces? Oceana, take action. You're in the touch with your truth in this situation, and you need to trust your gut and lovingly assert yourself. What do you have here for Pisces? To help heal the situation, see the other person's point of view. What else you got for Pisces? That's what the card said. Antoinette be saying that. She said that to somebody else today. You are protected from all types of harm. The worst is now behind you. I ask you to relax and feel safe. Relax and feel. So maybe you are in the Eight of Swords where it's limited beliefs, limited thought patterns, can't think outside the box, don't have anyone to bounce ideas off of, don't nobody really get it. And if they did get it, they probably be trying to do some more shit. You never know. All right. So that's what I have for you here in the foyer, Mr. and Mrs. Pisces. I hope y'all are well and fine for itching. All right. I'll talk to y'all in about a minute.